Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. Today we're going to be checking out the Kroger 2-day digital coupon sale that starts on Friday, March 6th and ends on Saturday, March 7th, 2020. Of course, you can get on your app right now or go to Kroger.com and download those coupons to your card. And then on Friday or Saturday, go to the store, purchase up to 5 of these items. Remember, these are one and done coupons, so once you use them, they are gone. So if you only grab 2 items and you want 5, you better grab all 5 in the same transaction. All right, we're going to check out these amazing deals. Make sure you hit subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single one of my couponing videos. All right, so first we have a deal on the large raw shrimp. And it depends on how much you want. So if you want just a single pound, you can get them for $4.99. If you want them for 2-pound bags, you can get it for $9.98. So load these coupons. And if you want a lot of shrimp, you can grab up to 5 of each of these. And I don't even know how many pounds that is, but it's a lot of pounds of shrimp. So check those out if you're interested in those. All right, so this first deal is pretty sweet. This is on our Kellogg's large size cereals. So these are normally priced $3.99. They're on sale this week for $2.49, but that 2-day digital coupon is going to take you down to just $1.49 each. Now, my suggestion here is to grab all 5 mini wheats. That will be your best deal. But if for some reason you want some other kind of cereal, there is an Ibotta rebate for the Frosted Flakes as well. And then, of course, you can get any of the cereals that you want. The cereals that are included in this deal are going to be the Apple Jacks, the Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, Corn Pops, and Frosted Mini Wheats. So those are going to be the I think 5 you can choose from. So when you grab 5, the best deal is to grab 5 Frosted Mini Wheats. There is a 3 off 5 printable coupon from the Kellogg's website. I will have the link in the description box below, so feel free to click that and print that off. That is your best deal. Now, if you're not wanting as many cereals, or if you're wanting to do something different, there are other printable coupons. There's a 50-cent off 1 printable coupon. There's a $1 off 2 printable coupons on the same website. There's also a $1 off 3 and Retail Me Not 3-1 that just came out if you're wanting to do something like that. Regardless, if you do the 5, then you use the 3 off 5. So even if you're going to grab 5 cereals, the best deal you can do is grab the 3 off 5 printable coupon, regardless of which cereals you purchase. So you'll pay $4.45. At that point, you want to submit to Ibotta for your cereals. So if you do get the Frosted Flakes, you can grab one of them and get 25 cents back. So it's a one-time only. But the Ibotta rebate for the Frosted Mini Wheats is 75 cents back on one, and that is a limit of 5 times. So when all is said and done, your final cost when you grab 5 mini wheats is going to be 70 cents total for 5 cereals, or 14 cents each, which is an amazing deal. If you're going to grab 1 Frosted Flake and 4 mini wheats, then your total would be $1.20 or 24 cents each, which is another really, really awesome deal. Now, something to take note of, Frosted Flakes is not included in this, but the Frosted Mini Wheats are. So there's a Kellogg's cereal bonus in Ibotta when you buy 3 unique cereals. And you can see there the Frosted Mini Wheats, the Raisin Bran Special K, Rice Krispies, and Corn Flakes are included. The only one that is included in this 2-day digital is the Frosted Mini Wheats. So this will get you on your way to getting an extra bonus dollar, or maybe you've already got a cereal or 2 and you'll be able to get that bonus dollar with this deal. All right, next, Sweet Tarts Ropes Cherry Punch candies are regularly priced $2.99. They are on sale this week for $2.29, and the 2-day digital coupon is going to take you down to just $1.29 each. Final cost just $1.29. Remember, we have Easter coming up. You may want to be filling those baskets with some candy, and what is better than having some cheap candy like this? So definitely grab these if you're interested in those. Next, we have the Scott Comfort Plus Bath Tissue, the 12 double rolls. These are regularly priced $6.99. They are on sale for $3.99, which is a pretty nice sale anyway, but the 2-day digital coupon is going to take an extra 50 cents off. We don't have any manufacturer coupons that I have seen. They're in the database. They did say there was a 50 cent off 6, which that may be 6 rolls. on one of their websites, but it was impossible to get to. So I didn't throw it up there because it was really hard. And maybe you could grab these for $2.99 if you can get that printable coupon. If not, it's $3.49, which is still a pretty good price. But I do wish we had some 50-cent off coupons. A lot of times we do, but we just don't have them out at the moment. All right, here's another great deal. So, of course, you can buy 5 and get them for 99 cents, but there is a deal when you buy 2 of them. So the first 2 can be this deal, and then you can grab your other 3 for 99 cents if you want to grab all 5. So grab 2 of the Prego pasta sauces. These are regularly priced $2.19. They're on sale for $1.99. Of course, that 2-day digital coupon is going to take us down to 99 cents. You're going to pay $1.98 out of pocket. Then Ibotta has a rebate for 75 cents back on 2, which is a limit of 1 time. So your final cost is just $1.23 total, or 62 cents each. So this is a really, really sweet deal. I was saying in another video that I did, so make sure you check out my 5 times digital coupon video I put out that's going to have the sale for the next 2 weeks. But there was another Bertolli pasta sauce that was going to be like $1.29. So this is obviously the better deal if you're going to be grabbing pasta sauce this week. Unless you're brand specific, definitely grab these. All right, next, the Scotch-Brite Scrub Dots 3-packs are regularly priced $3.98. They are on sale this week for $3. The 2-day digital coupon is not going to take off a lot, but it's going to make it $2.79. And then there is a $1 off 2 coupon in Smart Source to 9. So your final cost could be as low as $2.29 each if you're interested in grabbing those. That price still seems kind of high to me. I think you can go to the dollar store and get something similar to that for just $1. So, I mean, it's up to you if you have to be brand specific, but again, I think I'm going to pass on this deal. Next, Bakery Fresh Goodness Muffins are the 4-count are regularly priced $3.99. They're on sale this week for $3.50, but that 3-day digital will take you down to $1.99. Make sure you go to the bakery for these, but the final cost just $1.99 each. And of course, we don't want to forget our free Friday download. So make sure on Friday that you jump on your app or that you jump on Kroger.com and you load this freebie on your card, and then you can pick it up in the store at any point in time until March 22nd. I've never had Starburst Yoplait before. Has anyone tried it yet, or is this completely new and everyone is going to be trying it for the first time? So let me know in the comments what you think of this, because I am interested in this yogurt. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you make sure you don't miss a single video. If you're not following me on my social media accounts, make sure you follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Have a wonderful day, and I will be back with you at a later time. Make sure you check out my other videos I have posted for the sales this week. I'll have them in the description box below.